Good day. It is 13 December 2023. My name is Rob McGimpsey, a military veteran and businessman. I'm going to talk to you about trade and why trading is the future. The points I'm going to cover is the aim, background as to why I started the trade, choosing your international broker, the registration process online, the education process, why it's important to educate yourself on trade, and of course I'll be giving daily trade and market news in this regard, and the way forward is to get hands-on and become wealthy. That is the brief for this stream. Right, please press that like button, share my videos, and subscribe for daily market news on Forex and commodities. First point up is the aim. Why should you or one get involved in the trade business? Well, firstly, to be independent. You need to become independent in today's turbulent world. It gives you freedom, you have mobility, your life is not influenced by other parties with their own agendas. And this is very important, to become independent and become focused on and getting control of your own life. All right, background as to why I got into the trade. Now this is important because this is part of your process why you need to get engaged with trade. And below there will be a comments below the video. You can place your comments and I will gladly answer them for you. Okay, background as to why I got into the trade. Well, I was an employee first. I was in the military, and the government of the day and the politics cut my career opportunities and possibilities. Now, you know, if you're an employee, you need to have a pension scheme or be part of a pension scheme. And if you don't have the opportunities, then your pension then is limited. Right, following the military, I was in the life assurance. Again, with the decline in the economy, the policies that the members had signed up with didn't give the true reflection of what they would be getting on their retirement. With the annual increases of 10% plus minus 10%, their returns were not in line with what was expected. So life policies didn't work. I couldn't sell lies to my customers and my clients. Then following that, I was in the gaming industry. There I was retrenched because of politics again. I'm sharing this with you as to understand why one needs to get into the trade. After that, I was in business and I had various outlets throughout the country in the brewery line. And of course, politics changed that. I got into security, then of course BE had issues with that, and of course with food we had also disappointments with the workforce. And that is the reason why I've got into trade, and this is the reason why you need to get into the trade. Also, I have been in business with partners and various partnerships and through in the property business, and this turned out to be a Ponzi scheme between other role players. So you got to be on your own. I'm sharing this with you because you need to know what life's about, and the quicker you get control of your life and understand the trading business, the quicker you will be independent, you can do what you want and have a very stress-free life. And it's not too late to start. I mean, I've started the trade now. So, what's the process? We have to be realistic when you look at the trade. YouTube is full of it. If you look at the trading business globally, it's a $7 trillion business. And it has to be studied. You can't just get into this trading business. There's study material that you will need to get involved with and understand to become successful. The secret to this is to be hands-on and to study all the materials available. Now, it is a known fact that 80% of traders fail, and that's all because they rush into this thing, they don't study, they don't use their demo accounts, which is a live account, but just a demo funds, to study this Forex or the commodities before they go into the live trade. Next up is the broker. Who do you choose? There are many brokers out there. It's important to choose the right broker, and in this instance, you need to have your funds in overseas accounts and also in dollars. Right, so the website for this broker is attached below. You can have a look at the website. They are registered with the FSCA, the Financial Services Conduct Authority. There's a link below. You can have a look on that. Right, so daily videos on daily videos I'll send out on market news and various issues that you need to look at for Forex and commodities and to engage on the trade, and also use your demo account to build up your experience. There'll be regular promotion materials going out and forthcoming events. Now, registration. Broker registration is online. This is very important to get your documents correct. Excuse me. Your documents will be verified on the online process. Here you need your ID and your residential address. Payment methods available as credit cards, e-wallets, cryptocurrencies, online banking, and bank wiring. I can help you with this if you drop down your comments below, if you don't come right with the link, the join link below this video. There are 4 investment accounts: there's bronze, silver, gold, and premium, and I will discuss that with you also in your comments column. The minimum deposit is $250. You will obviously get a bonus for that, and if you put down $1,000 US, then you will get a 20% bonus on top of that. Now, education. Trading education is very, very important. There are training videos that you will need to get involved with, which will teach you about fundamental analysis. That's all the news in the market, when gold is up or down and oil is up and down, and all the currencies globally. Weekly seminars are available on the company website, and of course various ebooks. You will use trading tools for drawing purposes and various indicators, moving averages, price action, and the candlesticks, the bars and bar chart patterns. What's the benefit of joining CMTrading? Well, they call it a copycat trading. There are traders on board that you can copycat and learn from them, and of course your success ratios then will increase. And this is all part of the hands-on trade. Psychology is very important. Now you'll see that this game takes a very strong mind, but if you understand and you've studied and you use your demo account and you you watch the copycat trading on the system, it will give you your confidence, and this then helps you with your psychology. Daily trade issues that I will send out on a daily basis will be emphasizing the economic calendar, which influences your trading, selling and buying, trading signals, and of course there'll be expert advice from the CMTrading team by a senior market analyst. Follow the link below to join, and of course you will receive personal tutorship by the CMTrading staff, and this will be an ongoing daily event. See the link below and join the CMTrading team. Summary then: trading is the future. This is a reality. You've heard my brief. The broker appointment is very important to join the correct broker that is strong, and CMTrading is the biggest in the African continent, and you can read about that in the client reviews. Education is important. Please, you need to educate yourself. It's like a doctor. You can't ask a doctor to fix a vehicle. That's not his line. You need to study this trading business, but it's the future. The earlier you get into trade, the quicker you become wealthy and independent, and you've got mobility. And of course, one of the main things about being successful is whatever you get yourself engaged with, in this case trade, you need to be hands-on. You need to understand the software. You need to play around with it. There's a lot of hours in the beginning, but at the end of the day, if you can spend half an hour, you want to get yourself into a position where you can spend half an hour reading the market, and then the next half an hour place your trades, and then you're off the rest of the day. That's the position you want to become and be in. Right, all the links are below the video to action the process. I suggest you think about this, and of course, any questions, please drop these in the comments column below, and I will then obviously respond to your questions. Gain the knowledge, become successful traders, and become independent forever.